I'm Abigail James. I'm an award-winning esthetician, a well-being expert, a podcast host, a life coach, and a best-selling author. I've been using energy-based devices in my clinic for about 15 to 20 years. It's one of those things that you train in as an esthetician at college, and you might dip in and out throughout your career with using them or not, but I think they've become much more commonplace, and I know they've become a standard in my treatment room for the results that I want to get for my clients and the results that they're expecting as well. So it's just, I can't imagine running my treatments without having energy devices. The Focus Dual HIFU has solved a number of my clients' problems. Fundamentally, it is amazing for this: lifting, tightening, maybe a bit of fat reduction. You can also use it on the body, but for my clientele, we focus face. It's such a comfortable technology for the amount of results that you can get. It's bypassing the heat on the surface of the skin. So many other heat lifting devices, they're heating the surface. So it feels kind of nice, but it gives us a ceiling point where we can achieve results. So with the HIFU, there's absolutely no heat on the surface, but it's pinpointing heat up to about 60 degrees within the dermis, allowing for a more profound tightening, lifting. It's comfortable results with no downtime. The radiofrequency microneedling is amazing for so many of my clients' problems. If I'm going to focus on, let's say, wrinkles, which I think is something that all of us can relate to, we've got the needles that are microfine needles that penetrate the skin, which I can turn on or off the radio frequency to either have the heat down the needles, or if I'm treating a skin of colour, I can turn off the heat. So there's just a lot more care that I can take to get the results that my clients want. And then from a safety point of view, as well as the results, there's the vacuum suction on the head, which lifts the needles up to the skin. So I know there's some very simple buttons I can press to change the depth of the needle, and I just feel confident wherever it is on the skin, I can tailor the treatment. And I've got that trust in being able to do the safest and most effective treatment for the issues that my customer is telling me that they have. I love combination treatments. It's something as a practitioner I started doing very early on in my career. I know that if I can layer technology to get the best result in the time I have with that client in that one sitting. My collaboration with Lynton is a relationship that has been going on for a number of years now. As a practitioner, any piece of equipment that you invest in, it's a big investment. And as much as you want to be able to trust the device that you're investing in for the results that you want to achieve, you also want to be able to have that relationship that you also feel you can trust with the manufacturers. So not feeling that the manufacturer's just taken your money and left you with the machine to kind of work your way through getting the best out of it. But Lynton have definitely gone that next level with supporting you not just in the training for the machine to get the best results, but a continual communication about also how to market yourself, which as a practitioner, that's so important. We've got the skills and knowledge and this amazing equipment, but then we've got to get to the clients. So Lynton have definitely gone that next level in supporting that full 360.